Next question is solve x cube d cube y upon dx cube plus 3x square d square y upon dx square plus x times dy by dx plus 8y equal to 65 times cos of log x. One of the important question. So I have taken this question as it is. So because of x cube this what formation we got it, this is of the Cauchy's linear equation form. So this equation x cube, so this is symbolically written as y triple dash plus 3x square into d square y upon dx square can be written as y double dash plus x into dy by dx can be written as y dash plus 8y equal to 65 cos log x. So now put x is equal to e raised to t, one substitution, and t is nothing but log of x. So this is fixed for all the examples. Next is what here we have to start. So x y dash will be replaced by d of y, comma x square y double dash will be replaced by d into d minus 1 of y, and x cube y triple dash will be replaced by d minus 1 d minus 2 of y. So these are the three substitutions we have to apply in the above equation number 1. So therefore what happens to equation number 1? So x cube y triple dash will be replaced by d minus 1 d minus 2 of y. So I have replaced this x cube y triple dash as this substitution plus 3 as it is. X square y double dash will be replaced by d into d minus 1 of y. Next xy dash will be replaced by d into y plus this 8y as it is equal to 65 cos, we have inside the bracket log x. This log x is nothing but what here, according to substitution it is t. We will get cos t. So we have four terms, all four terms having d. So I will take y common, all having y, so y common. So this as it is d minus 1 d minus 2 plus 3d d minus 1 plus d plus 8 of y is equal to 65 times cos of t. So you simplify this bracket. So on simplification of this, we'll get it as, if you open all these brackets, we'll get the answer as finally it will become d cube plus 8 of y is equal to 65 cos of t. You open all the brackets, simplify, you will find d cube plus 8. So d cube plus 8. So this d cube plus 8, I will rewrite it as, to apply in the calculator. So it will be d cube plus 0 into d square plus 0 into d plus constant 8 of y is equal to 65 cos of t. Okay, so auxiliary equation is, I'll write auxiliary equation d cube plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, this is the auxiliary equation. So this can be written as, once again I'll write d cube plus 0 into d square plus 0 into d plus 8 equal to 0. So take the calculator and apply. So cubic equation, press option 4. Coefficient of d cube is 1, press equal, d square is 0, d is 0 and constant is 8, and see the root is, one root is minus 2, next root is 1 plus root of I, and next one is 1 minus root 3 of I. So we can write it as, one root is what here, d equal to minus 2, next remaining root is what here, d is equal to 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So how to write complementary function? So yc is equal to C1 e raised to minus 2t. I am writing in terms of t because capital D stand for d by dt, plus this is a complex root with real part, so e raised to t bracket C2 cos of root 3t plus C3 sine of root 3t. So this is our complementary function. Now we need to work out for yp. So yp is given by, yp is equal to right hand side, that is 65 times cos of t divided by auxiliary equation, that is d cube plus 8. So cos t, which is nothing but, I'll write 65 into cos of t divided by d cube plus 8. So here we need to replace what here? Replace d square is equal to minus times coefficient of t is what here? 1 square. So which is nothing but yp is equal to 65 cos of t. This d cube I will write d square into d plus 8. I will repeat this step. Replace d square is equal to minus 1 square, minus times 1 square will become what here? Minus 1. So we will replace now here. It will become 65 cos t divided by minus 1 into d plus 8. So which can be rewritten as 65 times cos t divided by minus d plus 8. So we have to rearrange for this. So we have to rationalize the denominator to simplify. So minus d minus 8 divided by minus d minus 8. We have to take the conjugate, which is nothing but 65 into cos t of minus d minus 8 divided by a plus b, a minus b, it will become minus d whole square minus 8 square, which is equal to 65 into cos of minus d minus 8 divided by minus d whole square will become d square minus 8 square will become how much here? 64. So again we have to replace d square is equal to minus 1 as per the type 2, which is nothing but 65 into cos of minus d minus 8 divided by minus 1 minus 64, which is nothing but 65 into cos of minus d minus 8 divided by minus 65 plus 65, this 65 cancels, we got minus sign. So therefore our yp will be minus, as it is, open the bracket, cos t into minus d, it will become, I will write minus d times cos t, then cos t into minus 8, that is minus 8 times cos t. So which is yp is nothing but minus and differentiation of cos is what here? Minus sin t minus 8 times cos t as it is, which is nothing but minus, outside only minus plus. So sin t minus 8 times cos t, or yp is equal to, open the bracket, it will become what here? If you open this with negative sign, you will get what here? 8 cos t minus sin t. So we got the particular integral. So with the help of this particular integral and a complete complementary function, we need to write a complete solution. So y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to, what is yc? Yc is nothing but, so this I have taken the value of yc and yp, then I have substituted the value of x is equal to e raised to 2 and t is equal to log x in the above expression. I will get this final answer here. Okay. Thank you.